Hello everyone, I'm Rob Stewart, Professor of Geophysics at the University of Houston. We're going to be looking at salt and some measurements on salt. We have an example of rock salt here, halite NaCl. Basically, here we've shaped a block of rock salt, so we want to find the speed or the velocity of this sample. So to do that, of course, we need the length, measurement, distance, and the travel time or transit time through the rock sample. So we're using the James Instruments Vmeter, and here we have our Vmeter. The first thing we want to do is make sure that the battery is charged as always. So we have our battery cable. Sure enough, our battery is at 100%. So wonderful. Well, we've got to get the length or the distance of the rock. To do that, we're going to use just a simple caliper. Now with the caliper, we want to know that it's at 0, so we press this closely, and then I just take 0, and we're good to go. So let's make a measurement. And our first measurement, trying to keep this parallel, is 80.4 millimeters. Now we want to make that measurement a few times to make sure that we're in good shape. So here we've got 80.7. This guy we've got 79.6. So on average, this is about 80 millimeters thick. And we'll keep track of all those measurements. So now we know the thickness of the sample. Then we have to get the travel time or the time of flight. We're going to use an ultrasonic transducer on one side that creates a little pressure vibration that goes through the salt and is received at the receiver. Just make sure that when face-to-face, the transducers at a 0 time, and we'll calibrate those, so that's 0. Then we're going to put them on the sample and find the time of flight from the source through the material to the receiver. To make a pulse, the pulse goes through the sample, it's received, and sure enough, the instrument has picked a transit time, and having input the distance, that picked time, we calculate a velocity, and the velocity here now is 4,145 meters per second. Now we have a number that describes a salt, and we can use that for exploration and many different purposes. That's it for salt and salt's velocity. Thank you.